Today I've got another sharing clip for you. I want you to share your Google My Business with your developer without giving them your login. You can log in at business.google.com, and that'll land you on your Google My Business homepage. If you haven't created your Google My Business, it'll give you a page where you can sign up and get this going. This is a fast way to increase traffic to your site. To share with your developers, go down here on the left side and click Users, and you'll get a pop-up. And then if you want to add us or your developer, you invite a new user and you type in the email address. For EvoDynamic, type in developers@evodynamic.com and give us the manager role on your site. And we'll be able to use your Google My Business to help your site drive more traffic to your company. Thanks.